সব মেয়েরা বসবে অ্যাম্বাসেডরের পাশে মানে এই ওই পাশটা পুরো শুধু মেয়েরা মানে অ্যাম্বাসেডরের পাশে সবাই মেয়েরা আমি তো ও হ্যাঁ প্রথমে বের হলে আসো সামনে আসো Excuse me, madam.
No, no, bad. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Well, thank you.
Dr. Tarundin,
founder of this
and founder president is Ahmad Rahim.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
She's our CEO and General Secretary of the
Thank you.
She's also a member.
Thank you. Malaikum salam. How are you? You remember me?
I'm a DC.
He is our member and elder sister and niece.
We are so early. Okay. Oh, very good.
We're so happy. We're thinking that whether you will be born. On fan.
Yes.
We're that one who is school. That is school and this is one. This is not yes.
Yes. You can take this for some time because you are Armenian. And then we will take a tour of the hostel. This is the hostel. And then we will go to the school. সালিমে আসেন ভিতরে আসেন আর ইয়া কই মমিনুল ভাই কই মমিনুল ভাই আসেন
American, all the headquarters goes to America.
You make for Carter's and Gap?
Children's Place.
Yeah, oh, of course. I'm sure I've seen your clothing and bought your clothing.
Now we will introduce this is our dormitory, and here this is the guest room. There is another guest room inside. So when the people come from outside, we will say about the place. You can stay here. And the desserts, you, they want to stay with us here in the.
So you actually have rooms for them.
Yeah.
Actually, the organization is run by Give Life and Echo USA. It's a USA company.
The funding, the building, and having the products. Food and lodging, dresses. So I will let you know of the things in the
Maybe she wants to introduce somebody.
Everyone to introduce themselves and tell them what they do.
Hi, my name is Christine Achek and I work in the political section. I am Emma Russell and I'm a college student who works for
Welcome.
She's our intern for the summer.
My name is Sharon Weber and I'm the Deputy Consul General.
Welcome.
I'm Imelda from USAID.
Oh yeah.
Welcome. She knows Bangla very well.
আমার নাম এমর ব্রুকস আমি ইউএসএ এর কাজ করি
আচ্ছা আমার নাম নুসরাত আমি প্রেস সেকশনে কাজ করি
আমার নাম জুবাইর মাসুদ আমি পলিটিক্যাল সেকশনে কাজ করছি maybe now you can introduce other people from the industry they can introduce themselves
but actually
My name is I'm also Shefa and this is Shefa Institute.
but it is in her grandmother's name, not her.
My name is Amatul Latif. I'm a member of this. I'm their eldest.
I am Amatul Rahim. I am the ex-president of ECO.
Yes, she is the founder president. And yeah. Actually, she is managing everything. She stays around the show. She is the CEO and everything.
Doris, she requests for some 10 minutes and then she will have a tour of this
Jordan.
Yeah.
Then we will school to the school.
We will start our program.
There are students.
The students are upstairs.
In the school also.
Okay, where you showed me the other day.
Yeah.
How many do you have? How many students do you have?
হ্যাঁ একদম উপরে নেন তখন তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে নামবো
How are you?
আমি ভালো
This is like the dorm room.
What's being built in the distance? Do you have any factories?
Yeah, he has his gun. If you want to visit, you can.
Yeah, this side. About 2
1 kilometer. And when was this built?
No, 1.5 years. This is second year. Just we have started second year.
Congratulations.
We'll be very glad you can visit our garden.
Not this time, later. Right?
I was going to say, I will come back.
You can take the picture because I'm guiding.
Yes, I took.
Ma'am, please.
Hello, there is a small problem. Every girl wants to handshake with her. Shake hand with her. That's not. Who is she? Whoever she is. America. Chalo. To meet you.
They're asking how are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
অনেক ভালো আছো। তোমরা কেমন আছো?
বাকি আছে হাত মতো করো হ্যান্ডশেক করো আচ্ছা হ্যান্ডশেক আর বাকি আছে এই যে জিজ্ঞেস করো
কথা বলো
জিজ্ঞেস করো কেমন
বাংলায় কথা বলো সমস্যা নেই
বাংলায় বলো কেমন আছে
বাংলায় বলো
কেমন আছো?
How are you? Oh, I'm fine. Okay, so what do I say? ভালো আছি ভালো আছি
আজকে কি আপনি রোজা রাখছেন?
I am Christian and we fast for 40 days between Good Friday and Easter.
I didn't know so.
Water. Oh yeah. Well, we do not take food, but water. We have a choice. Yeah. We can take water and no food. We can take food, but give up one thing. Something. Something. For me, it was all sweets.
মিষ্টি খেত না যখন ওনাদের রোজা রাখতে হয় ওনাদেরকে একটা জিনিস ছেড়ে দিতে হয় একটা জিনিস ওনারা খেতে পায় না তো উনি মিষ্টি খেত না
It's so hard. we have to give up everything. I know. And this many children of. Whose room is this? So you are roommate.
তোমরা সব একসাথে থাকো?
My roommate from college is still my best friend.
আচ্ছা উনি যখন কলেজে পড়তো ওরা যে রুমমেট ছিল তোমাদের মতো এখন ওনার সবচেয়ে প্রিয় বন্ধু এখন ওনারা যোগাযোগে আছে
We're like sisters.
ওনারা বোনের মতো
তোমরা হবে বলে দাও
There are 13 rooms here. In the second floor, 13 rooms. First floor.
How many rooms?
First floor,
দোতলার গুলি যাও
English and Arabic. I mean, Bangla. Bengal.
কিরকম তোমার? 1000
No, looks very clean.
They're afraid. Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
Ground floor, we see the ground floor.
How old are you?
What about you?
I am 11.
মহিলার চেঞ্জ দেন Now that I started wearing saris, every time I go.
Saris?
Yeah.
I have never seen it in any program or anywhere.
Oh yes, yes, yes. But every time I don't.
Yes, Ravindranath. How did you get?
Yes, of course.
Are you familiar with the?
Oh, sorry. I went to an old friend's daughter's wedding in India, and I wore a Jamdani sari.
একটা ক্লাস হচ্ছিল না
Arabic class is going.
Erum.
We are poor Bangladeshi.
Hot. This comes.
Upare, let's see.
Sorry?
Combine together here.
Right. And this is Arabic class?
Yeah,
This is an Arabic class. This is Emma is our intern at the embassy this summer, and she's studying Arabic.
Oh,
At university.
Nice to meet Emma. أنا أدرس العربية في كلية
واحد
سنة.
But the Bible is in
Every language. Every language. Aramaic was the original. No. It's written in but the New Testament is in original. Interestingly, Jesus was Jewish. He spoke No, exactly. And so the girls come here from their dormitory or
organization that runs two people. One school that is here for the orphans, and they run another foundation. For this program, they brought the madrasa students here just to meet you. Yes.
Now they will come and we will see. Okay.
Classroom. ওরা সবাই চলে যাবে
Internationally, other countries of
So they have organized one on institute, and the other institute on lady, she is Indonesia. And you know this tsunami.
Yes.
At the time of tsunami, there was a lot of problems in Indonesia.
Yes.
This lady went to Indonesia in her area and find that everything is wrong, everything only washed out. Then some few girls were there. So she had started from that day. She started this called Give Life Foundation, and she made a lot of institutes there. And then she increased in Pakistan, in India, in Sri Lanka, and then this is the last one. So she came in touch to that Bangladesh and worked for that. And these two sisters, they donated this school to the organized, and they have given money for the building to these buildings. And then they
the land is donated by me and my sister.
every year we get money from those donations and local donors. We also get some money.
Relatives and friends.
And then, Your Excellency, actually, we want to increase this. And for that, we need some more help. So
I would imagine, I mean, your daughter who's in California, there are so many people that I've met just in California. Bangladeshi
My
Americans
daughter is also, she is
also
my sister, one sister.
who want to help organizations, but they don't know how, and they don't know how to determine which ones are real and worthy. There must be a way to connect
now
you
they
with
are,
them.
but we ask them and they help us. So nice of them. I like the...
There is a this is the month that we pay those money. In my area,
We'd like to start our program with recitation from the Holy Quran by Sabika Akhtar, a class 1 student. Now, I would like to request our Honorable President of Educational Charity and Humanitarian Organization ECO, Dr. Muhammad Atar Mukti, to give his welcome address. Dr. Muhammad Atar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of our most gracious, most merciful, good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum. I, Dr. Muhammad Akhtaruddin, President of Educational Charitable and Humanitarian Organization in Bangladesh, on behalf of myself and on behalf of ECO Bangladesh, welcome you in Shifa Institute, Your Excellency, the Honorable Ambassador of USA in Bangladesh, Ms. Marsha Stephens Bloom Banikat. I also welcome your colleagues and all the guests present here today. We are delighted, Your Excellency Ms. Marsha Stephens Bloom Banikat, to have you here in this small remote village to attend the iftar party with the orphans of Shifa Institute organized by you. Thank you very much for coming. That you, the Honorable Ambassador, and many of you traveled long distances, which remind us how much you have your love to the poor Bangladeshi orphans. We know, Your Excellency, you have worked hard for fighting against AIDS, to fight against international crime, and to increase the business and education. As part of your work in Bangladesh, you also want to see the Bangladeshi young people. We appreciate your works and hope you will also do a lot of works for improving our business in Bangladesh and also the development of our education. Your Excellency, two sisters, Mrs. Amatul Rashid and Mrs. Amatul Rahim, who donated the land for this orphanage, while Give Life USA and ECO USA funded for the buildings. These two US-based organizations, ECO USA Santa Clara, California, was established in 2002, and Give Life Foundation Sunnyvale, California, was established in 2005, and both the organizations are registered with US Secretary of Treasury, IRS 501 within bracket C within bracket 3 as non-profit organization. They also work in different countries of the world, and as a part of their work, they donate in this orphanage also. The total food and lodging, dresses, and other miscellaneous costs funded by ECO USA, Give Life Foundation USA, and the local donors. The money we could collect is enough for our orphans, but if we get some more money from other source, we will increase the number of the orphans. Your Excellency, our mission is to have the very poor orphans from different remote corners of Bangladesh and raise them with all the modern facilities as we usually raise our children, as well as they may be the respected citizens of Bangladesh in future. We give them standard living, food and lodging, and proper education. We follow the Bangladesh government curriculum, and also we provide the education knowledge of our religion. I, on behalf of myself and on behalf of ECO Bangladesh, would like to thank you again, Honorable Ambassador Marsha Banikat, for visiting Shifa Institute and encouraging our orphan girls to dream for and work towards a bright and prosperous future for them. We will appreciate your feedback, comments, and suggestions for the future directions of these orphans. I thank you all, and thank you very much that you came here.
Thank you, Dr. Muhammad Ataruddin, our Honorable President. Now, performance by our beloved students. I would like to invite Farhana, Shahida Sumaya, Salma, and Roxana for song. We shall overcome by our students.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Amra korbo joy, amra korbo joy, amra korbo
by our students, Habiba, Anna, Jyoti, Fatima, Rumana, Sadika, Subarna, Montika, and Suraya. They will praise it now, praising our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him. Our performance by our students. Wonderful performance by our beloved students. We highly appreciate your works. Now, I would like to request our today's chief guest as well host, our Excellency Ambassador Marcia Sivarnika. We are delighted that she is with us. It's our privilege, and we are very thankful to her and her colleagues and employees to be here, and I welcome her to give our speech. Our Excellency Ambassador Marcia Sivarnika.
Ramadan Mubarak. Good afternoon. Thank you all for giving us the opportunity to celebrate an iftar and share dinner with you tonight.
আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ আজকে রাতে আমাদের সাথে ইফতার ও রাতের খাবার ভাগাভাগি করে নেওয়ার জন্য।
Last year, I had the honor of sharing an iftar and dinner with the students of a boys' madrasa and orphanage in Dhaka.
গত বছর আমার সৌভাগ্য হয়েছিল ছেলে শিশুদের একটি মাদ্রাসা ও এতিমখানায় ইফতার ও রাতের খাবার ভাগাভাগি করে নেওয়ার।
And I saw firsthand the hard work and dedication of many young Bangladeshis.
এবং সেখানে আমি অনেক তরুণ বাংলাদেশিদের কাজ ও অবদান সরাসরি দেখার সুযোগ পাই।
So I am especially pleased this year to meet all of you bright young girls.
এবছর আমি খুবই আনন্দিত আপনাদের সাথে যারা সম্ভাবনাময় কিশোরী আমাদের বাংলাদেশে তাদের সাথে দেখা করতে পেরে।
and the bright young boy. Principal Mominal Islam and Dr. Attaruddin, I would like to thank you and your staff for organizing this great event.
প্রিন্সিপাল মমিনুল ইসলাম এবং ডক্টর আতাহার উদ্দিন, আমি আপনাদের ও আপনাদের সব কর্মকর্তাদের ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই এই দারুণ অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করার জন্য।
And I would like to especially thank Mrs. Amateur Rashid and Mr. Ludgar Kabir Sadi for your hard work in organizing this event.
আমি বিশেষ করে ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই মিসেস আমাতুর রশিদ এবং লুৎফর কবির সাদিকে, যাদের পরিশ্রমের জন্য এই অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন হয়েছে আজকে।
As a young Christian girl in the United States, I went to church and Sunday school every week for many years.
যুক্তরাষ্ট্রে একজন খ্রিস্টান ধর্মের কিশোরী মেয়ে হিসেবে অনেক বছর ধরে আমি প্রতি রোববার গির্জা ও সানডে স্কুলে যেতাম।
But only when I was in university did I learn that the stories of Abraham and Noah, Moses and Jesus are shared by both Christians and Muslims.
কিন্তু যখন আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে পড়া শুরু করলাম তখন জানতে পারলাম যে খ্রিস্টান ও মুসলিম দুই ধর্মের মানুষরাই ইব্রাহিম, নূহ, মুসা ও ঈসা নবীর গল্পগুলোর সাথে পরিচিত।
Both Muslim and Christian religions had many female role models as well.
ইসলাম ও খ্রিস্ট দুই ধর্মেই অনেক নারী আদর্শ হয়ে রয়েছে।
The Prophet's wife, Hazrat Aisha, was a great scholar of Islam.
নবীজির স্ত্রী হযরত আয়েশা ইসলামের একজন গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জ্ঞানী ব্যক্তি ছিলেন।
Deborah of the Old Testament was an important leader.
দেবরা পবিত্র বাইবেলের একজন বিচারক ও গুরুত্বপূর্ণ নেতা ছিলেন।
And Jesus' mother, Mary, has a special place in both of our faiths.
যীশু খ্রিস্টের মা মরিয়ম আমাদের দুই ধর্মেই একটি বিশেষ স্থানে রয়েছে।
I also learned that both Christians and Muslims share many more aspects of our faiths.
আমি আরো শিখতে পেরেছি যে খ্রিস্টান ও মুসলমানদের মধ্যে অনেক কিছুতেই মিল রয়েছে।
For example, both the Bible and the Holy Quran teach us to love each other.
উদাহরণস্বরূপ বাইবেল ও পবিত্র কুরআন শরীফ আমাদেরকে সৃষ্টিকর্তা ও আশেপাশের মানুষকে ভালোবাসতে শেখায়।
To love our God.
তারা আমাদের সৃষ্টিকর্তাকে ভালোবাসতে শেখায়।
And they teach us not to kill another human being.
তারা আমাদেরকে আরো শেখায় অন্য মানুষকে হত্যা না করতে।
They teach us to believe in one true God.
তারা আমাদেরকে একটি সৃষ্টিকর্তাকে বিশ্বাস করতে শেখায়।
And they also teach us that children should obey their parents and their elders.
এবং আরো শেখায় তাদের গুরুজনদেরকে সম্মান করতে।
And that their elders and parents should love their children.
এবং তাদের গুরুজনরা ও মাতা-পিতারাও যাতে তাদের সন্তানকে ভালোবাসে।
And since my university days until the present,
আমার বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের জীবন থেকে এখন পর্যন্ত
I have remained dedicated to learning as much as possible about the many values that we share in common.
আমি চেষ্টা করে গিয়েছি যতটা সম্ভব আমাদের দুই ধর্মের মূল্যবোধ সম্পর্কে শেখার।
So this is why I am here today.
এই জন্যই আমার আজকে এখানে আসা।
To learn more about what it is like to be a young Muslim woman and girl in Bangladesh.
বাংলাদেশের একজন কিশোরী মুসলিম মেয়ে শিশুর অভিজ্ঞতা সম্পর্কে শিখতে।
My colleagues and I are so excited to be here.
আমি ও আমার সাথে যে আমার কলিগরা এসেছেন আমরা সবাই খুবই আনন্দিত আজকে এখানে আসতে পেরে।
And we look forward to hearing from you about your experiences.
আর আমরা ও আপনাদের অভিজ্ঞতা শোনার জন্য অধীর আগ্রহে অপেক্ষা করছি।
And we want to encourage you to pursue your dreams and become great leaders in your communities.
এবং আমরা আপনাদেরকে আপনাদের স্বপ্ন পূরণে উৎসাহ দিতে চাই যাতে একদিন আপনারা সমাজের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ নেতা হয়ে উঠতে পারেন।
We also want you to ask us questions too.
আর আপনাদের যা যা প্রশ্ন আছে আপনারা রাষ্ট্রদূতকে করতে পারেন।
Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you so much for letting us be here.
সবাইকে